All right, man. We got a weekend getaway. Might miss some football, I'm not sure, but the plan is to get down to good old Georgia and to get back. Not under a huge time crunch, so I'm gonna try and start a blog. Hopefully I can finish the blog. Yeah, we in Dayton, New Jersey. Not too far from where I live. Not far at all. Really down the street. Went and picked up the truck. Now I'm at the money. I'm gonna back it in, man. Right over here. Got back in this spot right there. Got plenty of room. Let's get it. So if you look in that mirror, we got around plenty of space. Sometimes you gotta, if you don't get the trailer in there right the first time, gotta adjust a little bit, do a little bit of 4x4, and when you make those movements, when you're backing up, you make those movements, man. You want to turn the wheel first and then make the movement. You know what I'm saying? Turn the wheel first, then make the movement. 10 feet, back, 10 feet. That's how you 4x4. Get in front of the trailer, push it back in the hole. Finito. All right. Now, load it up. It's took like an hour and a half. They was on lunch. You know what I'm saying? So it's all good though. I don't really be in a rush, man. There's no point to that rushing around and getting yourself all worked up. Unless you're sitting in the door for like longer than 5 hours. That's a little crazy. But yeah, it's time to get up out of here. Put this seal on. I need two hands for this. I'm gonna drive probably about 9 hours, maybe 10. There is this pilot that has like a cool restaurant attached to it. Good steak, good food, really good food. So I'll probably end up parking there for the night. They're finishing out the run in the morning. But yeah, man, we should be done driving about 10 o'clock, maybe 11. And we pick it back up tomorrow. All right, now, get with me, baby.
You to go.
I had a long run, man. Yo. I haven't had trailer issues, finding trailers and all that jazz. I have not had these issues in a few months, yo. And it just makes power only worth it and just easier to deal with. But when you cannot find an empty and, the company can't find you empties, and I'm checking out couple different carriers, and they don't have any loads going my way back up to my house. So I pick up a load on Tuesday morning out of Jersey, which if there was something worth it, I would just switch up my plans, but ain't nothing worth it out here really for me to switch it up. So I made a play, did a gamble. The load I bring down here paid pretty well. It was rather light. It was 11,000 pounds. Now, when I booked it, it said 5,000 pounds, so whatever. But it is what it is. I got paid pretty well for the load. I was looking for that, the comeback was going to be real nice. But it doesn't look like it's going to happen, because I'm not going to sit out here for a day and a half looking stupid when I could just go home and spend the rest of the weekend with the family and just enjoy that part of it. Take me about 10 hours to get home. That's just overnight driving. So send a couple more emails and see what they talking about. If ain't nobody talking about getting me in motion, I gotta make the decision if I want to leave or not, and most likely the decision is gonna be to leave, because I'll be back down Tuesday. So it is what it is. The place where I want, a Dollar Tree, they never really have empties. I thought about it, then again I was just like, it is what it is. Hopefully they have empties, right? Just kind of gamble with it. I lost the bet. So now, gonna cut that load in half and cut our losses with it and keep it pushing, man. I didn't lose though. I'm not losing.